guys, welcome to tutorial number 13 on Solidworks, and in this tutorial we'll be learning about how to use the Extrude Cut command. So let's go ahead and make a sketch. Select top plane, sketch, and then we will draw a simple rectangle here. Select, and then we'll get out of the sketch, and then we'll go to Extruded Boss Base. So we will give it some height, and then okay. So I want to make a hole on this top surface here. For that I have to draw a circle on the top surface. To draw a circle I have to do a sketch. So this is the process. So we will do a sketch on this. How to make a sketch on the top surface, on any surface actually. So let's select the surface and go to sketch. As now you can see the sketch is done, and we'll click to normal to. So now you can see there is a normal to command here. This is a shortcut. So how to bring this normal to command here, I'll show you. Click here and then go to customize, and then commands, then go to standard views, and then you can see here is the normal to command. We'll click here and then drag it and then drop it. Now you can see this command is available. We'll click OK, but I already have it, so I will just remove it. So now, so click on normal to. So we will draw a circle here. We don't need to provide any dimension. If you want to, you can. So we'll get out of the sketch, and then make sure your sketch is selected. If it is not, then click here and then select it, and then go to Extrude Cut. So now you can see it shows the depth of this cut. Actually we can increase or decrease the height of this cut, or we want all the way through, we can drag it down. We want the depth, you can keep it. So we can just use it, and or you want to do it all the way through. There is a command here, all through. It goes totally to the bottom. Then we'll select OK. So this is how we use Extrude Cut command to cut a simple hole, or you can draw not just hole, you can draw any figure and then you can cut it, but it has to be a closed figure. So this is how we use Extrude Cut, but there's one more feature to it. I'll show you in a minute. So let's make a sketch on this surface. Select it and then do a sketch. Click on normal to. So let's make a square here, not a square, a rectangle. Select, click here, make sure your sketch is selected, and then go to Extrude Cut. So now you can see, now you know how to cut this, but there is one more feature. Now you can see there is a feature called thin feature. Just check this box and this will provide your sketch a thin feature. So click on normal to. So now you can see the thin feature. It will cut this section only. So just click OK. Click OK here. As you can see, only this section has been cut out. So this is a thin feature. So to do that, we have to draw, if this feature was not available, we have to draw two square, and then we have to select this one. So we don't have to do it, it just minimizes the work. So now we know how to use this Extruded Cut command. So we will go ahead and make a sketch here. So this is the figure here we'll be drawing. So let's cross it. If you want to save it, you can save it, but I don't want to save it. So let's go ahead and make a new sketch here. So before we start this, first take a close look to this. So here you can see this is isometric view, and first we will draw this rectangle here. As you can see, the rectangle with side 100 and the width 75. So we'll draw this rectangle on front plane. So you can see this is the front part of this is the front part, this is the top, this is the bottom part, and this is isometric. So we are drawing the front part, so we'll choose the front plane this time. We'll not use the top plane. So let's go ahead and make a sketch on front plane. So we will draw a rectangle, go to smart dimension, the length was 100, enter, and the width was, I think, 75. Yeah, 75. Select, and then, and as you can see, the extrusion is 40, so we'll extrude it 40. Get out of the sketch, extrude 40, select, okay. So we have extruded it 40, and now as you can see here, there is a section which is cut out. So we will make a sketch on this surface, and then click sketch, click on normal tool, and then draw a rectangle. So we have to take a look first. So it's not a rectangle, it's a square actually. The length and the breadth is 40. So smart dimension, make it 40, and this height is, the width is 40 as well. So select. So now as you can see, our square is floating around, so we will provide it some attachment. So we will select this, hold control button, and then select this edge, make it collinear. So, and smart dimension. So here is the problem. They hadn't provided any kind of distance from this edge, but we know, we will do the math here. We'll do smart dimension. As we know, the length of this block is 100 and this is 40, so distance from this will be 30 and distance from this side will be 30. So let's make it 30, so that this dimension will bring this square in middle position. So make it 30, enter. So here, so as it had gone black, it is fully defined. So I'll get out, we'll go to Extruded Cut. So the cut section is 20, so we will type in 20 here, 20, and then okay. So now you can see the Extruded Cut command has provided a cut with depth 20. And now we will draw a rectangle with side 25 and 30. So we have to make a sketch on this surface. So first take a look of isometric view. Select this side, go to sketch, and then normal tool. Then we'll draw a simple. Select. So the side is 13 into 25. So this is 30 and this is 25. Select, and now we will make it collinear with this side. As you can see, this is floating around, so we will just make it fully defined. Select this, hold control button, and then select this edge, make it collinear. Select this, hold control, and click this edge, make it collinear. So we have to draw actually two rectangles here, but what we will do, we will use mirror entities. For that we have to draw a central line as a reference line. Make it a vertical central line, select it, and then hold control and click in the origin, make it midpoint. Now we can use this mirror entities. Click here, select all the sides, this one, this one, this one, all the sides we have to copy, and then we'll mirror about this line. Make sure your copy is checked, and then click OK, so it is visible. So we'll exit out of the sketch. We'll go to, first we'll select this, go to Extrude Cut, we'll go to Extrude Boss Base. So the extrusion is So they haven't provided the extrusion, but we will do the maths. So the extrusion of this block was 100, not 140. As you can see here, it is 40, and this total extrusion is 65. So we will minus 65 from we'll minus 40 from 65. So we'll go to this, we'll do the maths here. 65 subtraction with 40, page 25. Click OK, and I'll tell you one more thing about it. So please check this merge result. What will happen if you don't check it? If you don't check it, then click OK. So here you can see the edge is available. It will not provide a continuous look to it. You can see there's an edge available, so it does not merge our this block with this block. So we have to go ahead and merge it. So here you can see there's no lining or something like that. So now we will okay, so now you can see there is a cut here which is going all the way through till the end here. So we have to draw we have to make a sketch on this side with a rectangle. We have to draw a rectangle first with the length which is not given, but we'll do the maths. The width is 10, so this is the isometric view. So we'll select this thing and make a sketch, go to normal tool, and then we'll draw a simple rectangle, select, and the smart dimension with the help of, we'll provide the dimension 10 and make it collinear. Select this, hold control and click here, make it collinear, and the distance from this edge is 12. As you can see, this is 12 here. We'll go to smart dimension, select this one and then click on this side, make it 12. Select this one and click here, make it 12. So as it goes black, select, get out of the sketch, and now we will use the command called Extrude Cut. Click here, and we want it all the way through, so we will go to this one and select this all through all. So it is now through all. Click OK. So now you can see, just click here and click on isometric. So now you can see our 3D model look exactly like this one. So this is it. So guys, please subscribe for this channel, and I'll be making tutorials on CATIA and AutoCAD as well. It will be a complete series, so stay in touch. So see you in the next tutorial.